Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by removing the headlight lens and exposing the bucket. Do that now so you have room to work. Once open, disconnect the battery to avoid shorts. You then locate the 12V feed, ground, and parking/DRL wires with a multimeter. Mark them. Next, test the angel eye ring by briefly applying 12V on the bench so you know it lights. Make careful notes of polarity. That prevents a common mistake and saves you time. With the rings dry-fitted, you check clearance around the bulb and reflector. Do not let them touch hot surfaces. Once satisfied, bond each ring using high-temp silicone or thermal epoxy. Apply sparingly and align precisely. While adhesive cures, route the wires through the headlight bucket grommet into the wiring loom. Use heat shrink and zip ties to secure and isolate connections. Make sure no wires rest against sharp edges or hinge points, so vibration won't break the leads later. You reattach wires. Solder and heat shrink the power to a switch 12V or DRL circuit, tie ground to a solid chassis point, and isolate any unused lead. Once sealed, reinstall the lens and reconnect the battery. Then test each mode, low, high, and DRL, to confirm no interference with the main beam. If the rings flicker or dim, check grounds and voltage drop first. Make sure your solder joints are solid and the power source supplies stable 12V. Recheck routing and resecure any loose wires.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.